Hello everyone, welcome back to our consultancy assignment guidance. In this video, we will learn how to create error bar charts in Python using the Matplotlib library. Error bar charts are commonly used in scientific research, experiments, and business reports. Error bar charts basically help us to visualize data values along with their variability or uncertainty. They also allow us to understand not only the average values but also the possible variation around those values. So first, we have imported our Matplotlib library here. Then we have created sample monthly sales data along with error values. And finally, we have used the error bar function, the year parameter. The year parameter displays the error values while the FMT equals to O minus adds markers connection by lines. Now let's understand the plot. Each point here represents the sales values for a month. The vertical lines above and below each point represent the possible variation in the data. Longer error bars indicate greater uncertainty, while the shorter bars indicate more consistent values. This chart helps us to compare both the measured values and their reliability. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for these types of videos. Thank you.